Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly where to find scholarships in Germany this year. Maybe IT field, which this channel is all about, or maybe any other field. What these scholarships actually cover and which ones have the least competitions. I will also tell you about the ones that barely anyone knows about them. First, a mindset shift. Germany is already one of the most affordable study destinations in the world. Public universities charge zero tuition fees. So unlike the UK or the US, where you need a scholarship just to afford the degree, here scholarships are about covering your living costs. Most scholarships in Germany pay between 300 and 1,500 euros per month that covers rent, food, health insurance. If you combine even one scholarship with a small part-time job, you can live comfortably without financial stress. That's the goal, not just free money, but freedom to actually focus on your studies. I've copied all relevant links that I talk about in this video in the descriptions below. Section 2, DAAD, the big one. Let's start with DAAD, the German Academic Exchange Service. It is the largest scholarship provider for international students in Germany, and it is open to bachelor's, master's, and PhD students from all over the world. Here's what that typically covers. 900 to 1,200 euros per month for master's students, up to 1,500 euros per month for PhD students, plus health insurance and travel costs. To navigate their website without getting lost, go to daad.de or daad.de, click Scholarship Database and filter by your country and study level. That alone cuts all through the noises. All links are in the descriptions below. One mistake I see constantly: students write the same generic motivation letter for every application. That is competitive, not because of grades, but because of clarity. You need to answer why Germany. What impact will you create? Be specific, be personal. That is what gets you selected. And if you need help with essay writing, mock interviews, and preparation, I'm always available to help. I offer this scholarship service since 2020, and I have helped thousands of students get scholarships in the UK through Chevening and DAAD Scholarships in Germany. You can book one-on-one consultation sessions or mock interviews with me through the links provided in the descriptions and comments below. Most DAAD programs open 8 to 12 months before your study start date, so start now. Next, the Deutschlandstipendium, also known as the Germany Scholarship, it pays 300 per month, around half from the government, half from private sponsors. Not the biggest amount, but it is stable, and here is what makes it different. It is not only about grades, the selection also considers community involvement, volunteering, leadership, and motivation. It's very much similar to those of you who have applied to Chevening Scholarship in the UK. So if you have done meaningful things outside of academics, this is your scholarship. Especially if you have applied to Chevening Scholarship, you can easily, transform your essays to this scholarship. And the key detail, you apply directly through your university, not through a central platform like daad.de. So go to your target university websites and search Deutschlandstipendium. Many open applications once or twice per year. If this video resonated with you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now here's what gets interesting. Germany has a lot of political and cultural foundations that offer some of the most generous scholarships, 900 to 1,300 euros per month, and they care about who you are than your GPA. Here are the main ones. Friedrich-Ebert-Stiftung, focused on special justice and democracy. Heinrich-Böll-Stiftung, pronounce it like in English, great for sustainability and human rights advocates. Konrad-Adenauer-Stiftung, leadership in politics, economics, and social initiatives. And Rosa Luxemburg Stiftung or Stiftung, equality, feminism, and progressive social causes. The most important rule here, don't copy-paste the same motivation letter to all of them. Each foundation has its own personality. Your letter needs to show how your story aligns with their mission, not just that you need the money. Pick one or two that genuinely match your values and go deep with it. All links are in the descriptions below. And if you still need help with essay writing, mock interviews, and preparations, feel free to book one-on-one mock interview or consultations with me through the links that are in the descriptions below. Or feel free to write down your questions in the comments section and I will provide you with responses with complete details. Here is the tool almost nobody talks about. Stipendienlotsa.de or we can say stipendienlotsa.de or bmftr.bund.de. The links are in the descriptions below. It is basically a search engine for scholarships in Germany. Enter your nationality, field of study, and degree level. And it filters scholarships you are actually eligible for, including smaller, lesser known ones that don't appear on the first page of Google. Bookmark this, use it, it's free. Links in the descriptions. Two more resources most students completely ignore. University scholarships. Many universities have their own funding that is buried deep in their international office pages. TU Munich, for example, has merit-based scholarships for non-German students. Universities in Heidelberg, Hamburg, and Leipzig have similar programs, and because most students only look at that, the competition here is much lower. Corporate scholarships. Companies like BASF, Siemens, and BMW fund students in engineering, IT, and STEM fields because they are looking for future talent. Some of these lead directly to internships or job offers after your graduation. You will need to search in German, of course, to find these, but the effort is worth it. Links in the descriptions. There are also smaller corporate foundations like Boehringer, Ingelheim funds for natural sciences students offering 500 to 1,500 euros per month. Before you go apply for everything, a few reality checks that will actually save you time. 1. Scholarship deadlines are often earlier than university application deadlines. If you're targeting 2026 winter semester, some deadlines are already approaching, some gone, so start right now. For 2027, don't wait and think that you have time. You don't, because you have to again work right now. Number 2, once you filter properly on the DAAD database by country, degree level, and field, around 100, let's say 77 scholarships quickly becomes 20 or 30 or even less than 10. And from those, maybe a handful are truly relevant to you. That's okay. Apply for the right ones, not all of them, because you don't need all those scholarships, right? Number 3, even if you don't win a scholarship your first year, many are open to students already studying in Germany. So don't give up. The timing doesn't work now. It will work next year. I applied 2 times for that scholarship until I won it. And if you need help with essay writing, mock interviews, and preparation so that you don't want to waste your time, again, feel free to contact me through the comment section, write or ask me any questions you have. And if you want full, complete services, you can always check my website for details. Quick recap of where to look. DAAD.de, biggest provider, plan 8 to 12 months ahead. Deutschlandstipendium, apply through your university directly. Foundation scholarships, match your values, personalize every letter. Stipendienlotsa.de, your scholarship search engine. University and corporate scholarships, less competition, worth the research. Now here's the honest truth. Germany is already one of the most affordable places to study in the world. A scholarship here doesn't just save you money, it gives you the mental space to actually make the most out of your time here. If you're serious about studying or living in Germany, I post videos every week about exactly this: how to study here, how to find a job, and how to build a real life in Germany. Subscribe if you haven't already and drop a comment below telling me which scholarship you are going to apply. First, I read every single one and provide help and support. See you in the next video.